In today's fast-paced world, productivity is key to achieving success. With the advancements in technology, artificial intelligence, AI, tools have emerged as powerful allies in boosting productivity. These tools offer a range of features that can streamline tasks, automate processes, and enhance efficiency. One area where AI tools can greatly contribute to productivity is in managing and organizing information. AI-powered virtual assistants, such as Siri or Alexa, can help you quickly retrieve information, set reminders, and manage your schedule with voice commands. These virtual assistants can save you valuable time by taking care of mundane tasks like searching for files, sending emails, or scheduling meetings. Another way AI tools can enhance productivity is through automation. AI-based automation software can be used to automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more important and strategic work. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer queries and provide instant responses, freeing up your time to concentrate on core business activities. AI tools can also assist in decision-making processes. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large amounts of data and provide insights that can inform your decision-making process. This can be particularly useful in areas such as sales forecasting, inventory management, or financial analysis. Moreover, AI tools can optimize project management by tracking progress, assigning tasks, and identifying potential bottlenecks. These tools can generate reports and dashboards that provide a visual representation of project status, helping you to stay on track and meet deadlines. In conclusion, AI tools offer numerous benefits in improving productivity. From organizing information to automating tasks and aiding decision-making, these tools can enhance efficiency and allow you to focus on high-value activities. By leveraging the power of AI, you can take your productivity to new heights and achieve your goals with ease.